Today we got some new gloss white key fob covers for the Volvo, the front and the back. Gonna be changing these out today on the remote. Gonna put the link in the description below if you guys feel like picking those up. While we're at it, might as well change the battery out. The battery number on this guy is gonna be 2032. You want to change that out while you're doing this. Save this way you don't have problems later when the key fob dies on you. All right, let's change them out. All right, starting with the key fob here, we're going to take this little lever here. We're going to push it up and at the same time slide the cover with the Volvo symbol down. Once you slide it down, you'll be able to pick it up and take it apart from the key. All right, here you got the spare key. Be able to take that out. So if you ever need that, here's where it is. You could use the key to press this lever here, and while you're pressing that, you want to slide the back panel off. The back panel comes off, similar to the other one. All right, now your battery is located right here. As you can see, there is a close and open. Yeah, it's right there. Close and open. So to open this, you want to put a screwdriver in here, and you'll turn it and open it. Turn. That's it. Once you turn it to the open slot, you'll be able to pop it out. All right. Now we're going to take our battery, 2032. Put it like this in here. You want to take the arrow and you're going to line it back up with the open. Push it down a little. Take our screwdriver, turn it back to the close. Now it's closed and lined up. Now we're all good. We're going to put our cover back on and we'll be good to go. We're going to start with the back panel. It's going to go with the same panel with the battery. I'm going to put it on like this. Then you want to take that little lever again. So use the key. Push it down. Slide the cover back up. Now it's slid back on into place. Now we take put the key back in so we can save it. I want to put the key back in so we don't lose it. It's gonna slide and go right under this. It's gonna slide and go right under this little groove. Now we're gonna use this lever on top, and you see it turn. You see it pulls that other lever. That would allow us to slide the back panel back on. So it's gonna go this way. So you want to put it down. See, like that. Gonna push the lever and slide it back up into place. That's it. New gloss white key fob and new battery. Now we'll be good to go for a while and don't have to worry about our Volvo key fob dying. The link for this key fob cover is going to be in the description. If you guys like the video, remember drop a like and drop a follow. See you guys on the next one.